Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Vista Innovation and Design Academy here in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District and home of the Sharks. This is my third visit to their campus for this school year, and it was another great day here in the gymnasium again. I got to share my heart about a very important topic, and that was diversity, and that's our differences both on the outside and on the inside. And we have to appreciate and respect and honor all of those. But also, we have to really show this human kindness. And that's why you see the slide on the screen. A big theme that I push in this particular presentation, the shirt that I wear for this program, you can see that there's a peace sign inside the heart where peace has to begin, this design that my friend and I did a couple years ago. And there's two people in this heart too, right? Because it's not just about showing kindness to yourself, but to others as well. And when we think about this too, it's so important that we show kindness, because like I mentioned during the assembly, if I say something kind or do something kind towards one person or a group of people, it may not just inspire them or that individual. It could be anybody else that hears that kind word or sees that kind action, right? That it could touch their heart in a positive way and maybe change it forever. So it's so important for us to be in, to show that unconditional love, that love without any conditions, that if somebody's taller than us or shorter, wider or skinnier, different skin color than us, if they wear different clothes, speak a different language, if they're disabled or not, if they wear glasses or don't, eat different foods, whatever it is that might separate us, we can look at those as opportunities to unify us, right? And the students really took that home today through a series of heartfelt stories, the positive hip-hop music, of course, some of the motivational videos, the picture slides, the physical props, just to really try to hammer home this message of kindness and that it truly matters, right? That we can always choose kindness in a world where you can be anything, you can be kind. We can always choose that love, right? And it's not always easy because, a lot has been done to us in the past or is currently going on in our lives or will, in the future, but we can always rise above that hate, right? Like one of the stories I share, talks about a student that said, "Mr. Peace, I have to tell you something." I said, "Yeah, what's up?" And she says, "Mr. Peace, I'm kind to everyone." I said, "Well, thank you." And then she said, "Mr. Peace, I think I was born kind." And I kind of turned my head and laughed because all of us are born kind, right? We're all born nice. We don't learn, to hate, right at birth. We don't learn to be violent or be mean. We have to, learn that from our surroundings and our environments. We can always unlearn that. And the more that we take that message to heart at a younger age, before you kind of get set in your ways, as they say, I think it's a huge lesson and a huge life lesson that hopefully they can take with them for the rest of their lives. So thanks for touching my heart. Remember to keep appreciating that diversity, showing that kindness and unconditional love. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.